You guys hear this noise? I think my blend door actuator, I think that's how they call it, is getting back. So I get this part replacement. So I'm about to replace it. So I will show you a quick step to fix that. So first we need to remove the glove box. So to remove the glove, you see this tab here, you need to press it down on both sides and you're good to go. All right, so now that we identified the issue, the first thing we need to do is to disconnect this. Yeah, we need to disconnect. So we did a 5.5 millimeter socket to remove it. You see here we have yeah, so you have three bolts you need to remove with the 5.5 millimeter socket. One here, one under here, and one over here. All right, so I remove all the bolts. So now you pull it. So when you pull it, you have access to it, and you know, easy. You just need to put the new part back there. That's a really easy process, like, you know, 5 minutes. Let's put the bolts now. Is 2 screws here, not 3. So I will put this bolt back, you know, tighten it up, and you know, I think everything will be done. It's easy. It's like, if you know what you're doing, honestly, it's like a 5-minute job. All right, now let's go to the second screw. Yeah, it's easy. You don't even need to remove the glove box fully. You don't need to. It's nice and secure. Like the box. I mean, I did a same job like that a couple of years ago in my friend Impala. You know, connect it, and that's it. You know, we plug to see if it works. So yeah, fix. You just have to put it back, and that's it. To put it back, you know, that's it. Easy. Thank you guys.